Here is how to fix interrupted Google Chrome extension downloads. So first, you need to clear your browsing data. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen and select Settings from the drop-down menu. From the left-hand side, select Privacy and Security, and now select Delete Browsing Data option. Here, check the box of cached images and files. Then set the time range in the top to all time. Click on this drop-down menu right here and select all time. Now select Delete Data option, which is highlighted in blue color. Next, check your antivirus software. Your antivirus might be blocking extension downloads. Temporarily disable it to see if that resolves the issue, and if it does, adjust your antivirus setting to allow Chrome extensions. Finally, repair your extensions. Go back to your Chrome settings, then click on Extensions from the left-hand side. Find the problematic extension and click on its details right here. If you see a repair button, go ahead and click on it. And if you do not, you can go ahead and remove this extension. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.